Hi everyone, I am Ms. B. Vaishnavi Devi from the Department of Computer Science and Engineering, Shriram Engineering College, Avinashipalem, Tirupur. In our college, we are offering higher earning potential, better job opportunities, and strong professional networking for students. We are going to discuss one of the most important topics in Principles of Management, which is Nature of Management. Let's begin. What is management? Before understanding the nature of management, let's first know what management means. Management is the process of getting work done and with the people to achieve organizational goals efficiently and effectively. Management is the process of getting work done through and with the people to achieve organizational goals efficiently and effectively. For example, imagine your final year project. One student develops the front end, another develops the back end, someone tests the application, and another prepares the documentation. One team leader coordinates all these activities to complete the project successfully. That coordination and guidance is called management. Resource management process, organizational goals. Now let's understand its characteristics. There are five characteristics. The first characteristic is that management is goal oriented. Every organization is created to achieve a specific objective. Without goal, management has no direction. For example, suppose a software company wants to launch a food delivery application within 6 months. The project manager prepares the project plan, assigns tasks to developers and testers, monitors the progress, and ensures the application is delivered before the deadline. Here, every activity is focused on achieving one common goal. Therefore, management is goal oriented. Remember, every management activity begins with goal and ends with achieving that goal. The second characteristic is that management is universal. Management is required in every organization, regardless of its size or type. For example, a principal manages a college, a doctor manages a hospital, a CEO manages a company. Even a cricket captain manages the team during a match. Although these organizations are different, they all follow the same management principle. Therefore, management is considered universal. The third characteristic is that management is continuous process. Management is not a one-time activity. It's an ongoing process. Manager continuously perform five important functions: planning, organizing, staffing, directing, controlling. These are the five important functions. For example, after assigning work to the development team, the project manager regularly checks progress, solves technical issues, conducts meetings, and ensures the project stays on schedule so that management continues until the organizational goal is achieved. The fourth characteristic is that management is group activity. No organization can achieve success through one person alone. Management always involves teamwork. Let's take a final year project as an example. One student develops the user interface, another writes the backend code, another tests the application, another prepares the presentation. If each person works independently without coordination, the project may fail. But when everyone works together under proper guidance, the project is completed successfully. This is why management is called group activity. The fifth characteristic is that management is both an art and a science. Management is an art because it requires leadership, communication, creativity, and experience. Art is equal to skill plus practice. It also a science because it follows established principles, theories, and systematic methods. Science equal to principles plus knowledge. For example, a project manager uses agile methodology to plan and monitor a project. This represents the science aspect. At the same time, the manager motivates the team. resolve conflicts, and encourages collaboration. This represents the art aspects. Therefore, management combines both practical skill and scientific knowledge. Scientific principle plus practical skills equal to management. These characteristics explain why management is essential in every organization, whether it is a college, hospital, software company, or business. I hope this session helped you thoroughly understand the nature of the management. Thank you.